So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to set up and use our Frigidaire Nugget ice maker, app clean mode and descale. So fix 1 is unpacking and positioning. Peel off all blue tape and protective plastic film from inside and outside the unit. Then place the unit on a flat sturdy countertop. Leave a 6-inch space behind and beside the unit for proper airflow. Keep the machine away from direct sunlight and ovens. Allow the machine to sit up upright for 2 hours before plugging it in to let the refrigerant settle. Second fix is first time cleaning. Remove the ice basket and wash it with warm water and mild soap. Mix equal part white vinegar and clean water, then pour into the water tank. Press and hold the ice or clean button for 5 seconds to initiate a 15-minute internal wash. Then pull the drain tube at the back of the machine over a sink to empty the liquid. Fill the tank with fresh water and run the clean cycle again, then drain completely. Third fix is making ice. Pull out the ice drawer and pour clean potable water into the reservoir up to the max fill line. Distilled water is recommended to prevent scale buildup. Plug the power cord into a standard wall outlet, then press the ice or clean button once to turn on the machine. The indicator light will change color to indicate it is working. The machine will begin producing fresh nugget ice in 10 to 15 minutes. Discard the first batch of ice. Fourth fix is basic operation rule. Add water light, indicate low water. Machine stop until more water is added. Ice full. Light signal that is bin is full. Production halt until ice is scooped out, then the restart automatically. The machine is designed to make ice, not to freeze it. Unused ice will melt back into the reservoir for recycling. Thanks for watching.